to the Pasrur military cantonment near Sialkot, it seems to be a poor attempt at copy-paste. Now, Prime Minister of Pakistan was briefed on the operational preparedness of their armed forces. He was joined by their foreign minister, defense minister. Interestingly, their army chief also making an appearance there. And what is being said that this seems to be a poor attempt at copy-paste, rather what the Indian Prime Minister had immediately done. Right after the address to the nation that he made, the next day itself, the Prime Minister was present there at the Adampur Air Base in Punjab, Rishabh. And that is exactly was one of the air bases that Pakistan, through fake satellite imagery, had claimed that they had destroyed the airbase. Of course, with the Prime Minister's presence there, it became abundantly clear what the real situation is. But a poor attempt by Pakistan to replicate the move that was made by the Prime Minister Modi.
Well, Amrita, since the Pahalgam attack has happened, we have seen this is not the first time. We have seen, AI-generated statements from Pakistan. So basically, they have put everything from India, the statement coming in from India, and asked AI to create it as per Pakistan, and such statements have come in. Now, it looks like they have copy-pasted Prime Minister's visit as well. They have sent their Prime Minister, and when I say they have sent their Prime Minister, we all know that it is not the Prime Minister's office who takes the call. It is Rawalpindi and the establishment who takes the call. So they have sent their Prime Minister to a base nearby, and have tried to showcase that how Prime Minister is sending out a loud and clear message. But the truth is, 11 of the air bases have been bombed. Most of their equipment in these air bases have been affected. Their planes could not get airborne as well when they were being attacked. And very clearly, and it is not Times Now, it is not Government of India, but
Yes.
it is coming in from international observers.
Well,
India
the Pakistani
has an
Prime Minister
edge.
should have dared to go to those multiple air bases, and when it comes to military installations that were destroyed because of the precision strikes by India, and should have shown it to his people and to the world exactly the kind of devastation that India had in the Operation Sindoor, despite giving multiple warnings to Pakistan. But this is the real picture that is now coming across. Ranjoy and Rishabh continues to be with us. We head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side.